Students, today we are going to read the determiners. Okay, and in this determiner we will discuss about first articles. So you have also already done this article in your previous class, so I will be telling about this article today. So what is an article? Okay, so article is what? As you know, what that is a and the. Okay, a and the. Okay, so this a and this is the countable, means whatever the things that noun is what? Name, place, animal, things, etc. So that are countable. So if before that we use a and an. Okay, and the is used for the particular. We are knowing about it. So how will we use in? So let us start how we use these articles. Okay, so uh, start from this a and, where we use, like I have tell you about that, that is a countable. So noun which is countable. Okay, so there we use article. Okay, so here a train, a question, a player, an uncle, an umbrella, an experiment. So these are what? This is the countable nouns. So before that we use a or an. Okay, and first I will tell you about this vowel also. So before this, where we using the a and where it is used? So it is used before what? Before we are using vowel. Vowels are what? A, E, I, O and U. These are the vowels. Okay, rest 21 are our consonant. Before this A, E, I, O, U, we put we put an here. Okay, so let us start how we use in this. So we use a noun where? So singular noun before a singular noun also, like example, this lecture. So this is a lecture, a platform, a uniform policy. So here the sound is u, u, and here again the sound is our u. So countables and in the singular beginning with the vowels. So I have tell you about the vowels which are starting from sound a, e, I, o, u. Okay, so this is an aunt. This is your an aunt, an artist, an instrument, and honest. So look at this. This is your honest person. But here is what? H. That is not, we are making the sound of her. Here we are. This is not used. Only O. So honest. That's why we use here articles a and here. Like example, ma, because ma, this is the constable noun, constable, countable, that m a, here sound is a. So this is an mla. This is again honorable. Honorable means h is not using, we are not making the sound of h here. Honorable job, so that's why an. Okay, so we are using in some more also, like telling you mla. So this is an mla. Okay, sdo, again an sdo, mcom, msc. In this we use all an. Okay, so don't you have to see the sound. Okay, you have to look at the sound, not the this our vowel or consonant. Okay, so this is we are using in this way. So I have told you about this article the means where it is used, means that is a particular, means you are making it particular. Okay, this is articles. So where if we are using the is used before where we making it particular. The train by which I came, the information, so this become a particular. Okay, so the book, the mercy, so these are the our particular. Okay, so before, where we are using again, we are using where, before rivers, before rivers, the is used before rivers, any river, the Brahmaputra, the Ganga, the Godavari, like that. Okay, for sea and oceans, we used the Arabian Sea, the Antarctica oceans. Okay, and like this, the mountain range, the Aravalis, the Vindhyas. So in this way we are using the, मीन दैट इज़ अ पर्टिकुलर. सो होली बुक्स विच मीन्स जो हमारी क्या है, जो हमारी धार्मिक किताबें हैं, जैसे द गीता, द कुरान. ओके, सो द बाइबल. सो ऑल दीज आर आवर holy books, like trains, ships, magazines. Before all this we used the Shatabdi Express, the Ashoka. Okay, before the newspaper, you have also seen the newspapers, and in that you have seen what they are written, the Indian Express, the Statesman, the Tribune. Okay, like this, the well known buildings, or you can say historical building. Before the historical buildings also we use the, okay, the Red Fort, the Lotus Temple. Okay, so before the historical building also, countries, if the name means before the country, if for example this, the United States of America, contains a common noun, means the, this, the word used, the word states and kingdoms are common here, because this is states and kingdoms is common here, that's why use the United Kingdom. The whole families, about when we are talking about, then we use the Gandhis, the Khans. So in this way we are reading about the what we are saying about this our articles. So we have learned about what, a, an and the. Okay, so the is the particular. Okay, so we are using about in this. Okay, so this is for today, and I hope you have understood. So take revision of this, we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.